YouTube channel. So now today I am going to talk about how to prepare for Google Cloud Architect certification. So let me tell you the Google official website exam guide. So based on that I'll talk about little bit about and I'll guide you how to start, where to start, and all these things I'll be explained. So first of all, we'll come to this link. This link I'll provide you in the description box, and this is the Google Cloud Learn certification. As soon as you reached here, then number of certification option is available. For example, you are preparing for Cloud Architect, just click on Cloud Architect exam link, and this professional certification, the key technical job function and the advanced skills and design and implementation and the management of Google Cloud products. And the recommendation for the candidate is that in the depth experience and setting of cloud environment for an organization, and also should have experience on deploying the service and solution based for the business requirement. For example, some organization they wanted the implementation of cloud, but if you are able to provide the solution to the organization, that kind of rule is Google Cloud Architect. So let me move on to the navigate to the next process. As soon as you click on professional cloud architect, so what are the details in the professional cloud architect as per the exam guide. So the candidate should have some experience on designing, plan and cloud solution architecture, manage and provision the cloud solution infrastructure. So as I explained a little bit about the how what is the purpose of professional cloud architect. Professional cloud architect enable the organization to leverage Google Cloud technology with a thorough understanding of cloud architecture and Google Cloud. The design, develop and manage robust and secure, scalable, highly available and dynamic solution to drive the business objective. So professional cloud architect certification exam assess your ability to design, plan, build the solution architecture, manage and provision the cloud solution architecture, design of security and compliance, analyze the optimized technical and business process, and also manage the implementation of cloud architecture. Ensure that your solution and operation is reliable and reliable solution as part of the business requirement. So this is the main requirement those who are planning to uh, become a solution architect or Google Cloud architect. So let me move on to the next process. So in next process, about this certification exam. So it's a 2 hour exam, and the registration fee is $200, and the language is English and Japanese. So exam format is 50 to 60 minute 50 to 60 multiple choice and multiple select questions, and the case study also, some case study also includes two case study that describe the business and solution concept. The case study questions make up to 20 to 30% of this exam and access your ability to apply your knowledge to a realistic business solution. So you can view the case study on the split screen different exam, and this is one of the main preparation guide. Just based on this exam guide, you just start your preparation. So how I'm just informing you, I'm just a little bit talk about the process, how to follow the preparation process. So now I'll move on to the exam guide. So these are the four case study. So this is the four case study. One is EHR Healthcare, Helicopter Racing League, and Mount Trick Games, and Terraform Earth. These are the four case studies and exam guide. Let me show you the exam guide. Section 1, design and planning a cloud solution architecture. Based on your the exam guide, you start the preparation. Don't skip, make sure that you don't skip any topic from this exam guide. Each and every point you try to explore more or little bit, go through the details, then you can prepare thoroughly. Section 2 is that managing and provisioning a solution infrastructure. So all this based on this exam guide, you start your preparation. And exam 3, similar, whatever the section, you just follow similar things, whatever the exam guide, you follow the process and start the preparation. For example, the application deployments, copy this text and just paste in Google, so it will redirect to Google document. So in Google document, one of the best preparation document, which is freely available, and you just follow lots of related preparation document you will find out. This is one part. And the other part of this guide, just Google providing the following learning path. So let me show you. This is the learning path, and webinar also available. Take webinar. If you want to take webinar, this is the free tune into cloud on air. Just click here and go there, and just registration with your email ID and your details, then you will be getting free of cost webinar. This additional resource, Google Cloud documentation, Google Cloud solution, official Google Cloud certified professional architect study guide, and sample questions is also available to prepare. And once you all this follow the standard method, so yeah, so let me just click on the exam guide, start preparation path. Let me show you that one as well. The follow the learning path, click on start learning. This is the option. The preparation document is available here. So just let me show you how to reach there. So just open in another tab, and here you see cloud architect learning path is here. This is all the details of the preparation link, and this is the main and consolidated certification preparation course designed by Google. This is the best course material, you just follow this one. This is one. And once you complete all these things like free webinar, additional resource, then follow the sample questions. Let me show you that one. This is the sample question, at least 20 to 25 questions you will be getting for practice. Then finally you will go for registration. So before going to enroll or before going to register, couple of additional resources I'll just tell you which resource you should follow. At least this link I'll provide you in the description box. And here is also professional cloud architect exam details mentioned. All the link preparation important links is mentioned over here. You just follow the important link, and it will be helpful. And one of the other document which I will suggest you, this is the Priyanka ma'am scratch note GitHub link. You just follow. If you have any doubt or concern, in the last moment you can overview and watch the video and see the slide and PPT scratch notes, what is the concept and how, what is the workflow, all the thing you try to understand. Then finally you will come and registration for your exam, so it will be helpful. So how to enroll exam, I created a separate video in my YouTube channel. You can also follow that, how to register for exam once you prepare. So hope I think this video will be helpful, how to prepare for professional cloud architect. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.